Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Today is Friday, June 26th, 2026, and I am in New Jersey right now. I'm at my family friend's house, and I attended the FIFA World Cup yesterday, and I had a lot of fun. But today's a new day, and it's almost 7 p.m., and we are thinking of going to Jersey City once it gets a little darker to just enjoy the atmosphere over there. And they actually have a really great view of the New York City skyline. So I'll see you on the road and when I'm there. I'm now in Jersey City and New York City is right behind me. So I'm on the New Jersey side of the Hudson River and New York is on the opposite side. And yeah, here's the river, here's the water. Oof, that was a wave. And I can see the Freedom Tower behind me. That's the tallest tower that you see. And I'm gonna be on the lookout for more iconic New York landmarks, and I'll walk around and just like show you what it looks like. Sunset is happening and almost over now, so I think maybe in the next 20 to 30 minutes it's gonna get dark and all of those buildings behind me are going to light up and it is going to be beautiful. I'm really enjoying the skyline so far and I will keep showing you more. But yes, here is the view. So beautiful, so pretty, so cool. But yeah, that tower right there is the Freedom Tower. And there's a Colgate sign that's showing like the current time right now. And like the waves are actually pretty violent. Like you can see how they're breaking on like the walking path here. So there are apparently water taxis that you can take off of that pier right there to go into New York. There are also like trams and a rail system that you can take to get to New York from Jersey City. But the view is so nice. There's some more buildings over there. I'm on the lookout for the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Tower. I'm walking along the Jersey City. I would consider it a boardwalk because it looks like this right now. Again, on the Jersey side of the Hudson River, looking toward the New York City skyline. It's beautiful. As the minutes go by, more and more of the buildings are lighting up, and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's all dark and lit up at night. But I did spot the Empire State Building, so that right there is the Empire State Building. And over here with all the little arches and curves, that is the Chrysler Building. So those are two very famous buildings on the New York skyline, and I'm glad that I have a pretty clear view of them. The weather is just absolutely perfect and impeccable. There's a light breeze because of the water from the Hudson River, and the ambience is just really pleasant. There are quite a few people here also just sightseeing, walking around. People are walking their dogs. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking down the street and the boardwalk and see what else I can find. And maybe there are some cool like lookout points that I can show you additional views from. Walking down the boardwalk, and I'm having so much fun. Like I said, I cannot wait to see what the view is going to look like when it's super dark and everything is all lit up. So this is where you can get the ferries to New York. It looks like it's closed right now. But I'm walking closer to the pier, and I think we're gonna have a better and slightly closer view of New York from here. Wow. It's like a bridge. It's like twinkling. So I was right over there and now walked all along the boardwalk path and have just come down here. And now again, walking towards the Skyline. So this is an example of the water taxi slash boat slash like cruises that they have. And it looks like this group is just departing. They've finished their trip. And it looks like a lot of fun. Like that would be a pretty cool experience to have, I think. New York, New York. Wow, I wonder why it's lit up in like pinks and blues. A cool thing, so for the Empire State Building, if there are like different events going on, like for example, if it's like July 4th, they'll light it up in red, white, and blue. They recently lit it up in blue and orange for the Knicks win for the NBA Finals this year. And I saw pictures online of that. So this is one of the piers where people can board and exit the various boats, cruises, and water taxis. And it seems to be running on this suspension system. So it's basically a floating platform, and they have these solid beams here that are threaded through with these bearing type of structures, and as per the waves they kind of raise and lower the platform, and that's to help with suspension and make sure that the entire platform remains stable and doesn't snap. But they're actually moving quite a lot with every wave. Let me zoom in and show you what that looks like. So you can see they're moving left and right and up and down. It's getting darker and New York is getting brighter. Okay, I'm now on the suspension platform and I can definitely feel the movement. There are some geese rather, just floating on the river. They're just chilling. It looks like they're enjoying the nice weather as well. Minute by minute, the sky is growing darker. And the night view is truly stunning. Another ferry is depositing some passengers here on the platform. They're just about to dock. The Hudson River's got like a slight smell to it. It's actually not too overpowering. I've definitely smelled worse, but yeah. So this is a 9/11 memorial here in Jersey City. So this is dedicated to the residents of Jersey City who passed away during the tragic 9/11 incident. And right here is actually a piece from one of the Twin Towers. And here is a better view of the memorial. On the other side, they've written the names of everyone who lost their lives. As New York continues to shine brighter, I have continued walking along the boardwalk here, and this area is a lot more lively. I'm getting closer to the Empire State Building view, I think, because until now we've been looking at the Freedom Tower mainly, and I really want to see if there's a view here where I can see the Empire State Building and Chrysler Building in a more close-up manner, but we'll see. Regardless, the ambience is really great. A lot of people are taking pictures, enjoying the views. They have a couple of like art installations along the boardwalk as well for additional photo opportunities instead of just the New York skyline. And actually directly opposite to the skyline and the boardwalk, there are a lot of office and corporate buildings. They're all like basically skyscraper-like. Like that one is so tall. The one over there is really tall too. So it's like, I wonder what the Jersey City skyline would look like from the New York side. I'd be interested to see that. So apparently this whole area is called Exchange Place, and that is the location within Jersey City that I'm at and where the boardwalk is. So this is like a little landmark, and there is a rail over here at Pat Station where people can commute to and from New York. Guys, they have like a FIFA World Cup a soccer ball statue or art installation here. It's so cool. It's like this multicolored soccer ball, and it says FIFA World Cup 2026, New York, New Jersey, let's go. Oh gosh, it's beautiful, beautiful. I'm really enjoying it. I've had such a fantastic time being here for the past hour or so, exploring the Jersey City boardwalk and admiring the views of the New York City skyline. There we go. There is the Empire State Building. Okay, guys, right behind me is the Colgate clock tower. It looks pretty cool. It's impressive. It's quite large, and it's a well-known landmark here, and I actually didn't even know that this was a thing. And it's directly opposite from the New York skyline. You can see how dark it is outside, so I think this is going to be our final view of the skyline today. It's past 9 p.m. now, approaching 9:30. And this is what the conditions are like outside. There's quite a bit of cloud cover, which is kind of contributing to how light the sky looks, but it is pretty dark outside, and this is how beautiful and brightly New York is shining. All right, so that was my short and sweet trip to Jersey City to enjoy and soak in the New York City skyline. It's absolutely beautiful. And as I've said multiple times throughout the video, I've had such a great time, wonderful time. It feels very peaceful here. The ambience is just wonderful. But anyway, it's getting late and I still haven't had dinner yet, so I'm going to go do that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.